All right. So have the Java development kit, and we're also going to be installing our software now. So don't worry if your internet is not that stable. In as much as you can see my screen, you can always go to the site that I'll be showing us and install the software. So the Java Development Toolkit, or JDK, is simply an environment. So whenever you hear of an environment, it's just like a package or a software, right, where a whole lot of things happen. Okay, it gives us everything that we need to develop our Java applications. Is all right. So the JDK is an environment, and it gives us everything that we need to develop our Java application. So there are some few things that is inside the JDK, and one of it is the JRE, or the Java Runtime Environment. Is that right? So the Java Runtime Environment, or JRE, it contains all your libraries, your classes, and it's for us to develop our Java applications. So you might be wondering, what are libraries? What are classes? Is that right? Now, how many of you play games here? Iwuchukwu, I need not ask you. Joy, do you play games?
I'm learning. Yes.
Okay. Iwuchukwu, you know Minecraft?
Yes.
Let me just use that as an illustration. When you want to run, like when you want to play Minecraft, what is the first thing that comes to your screen? Like, what do you have to do first to get started?
I have to click on the application.
Okay, click on the application. Then what comes out? I'm sure there are some characters that are peculiar to every Minecraft game.
Oh, yeah. Then you now see the home screen.
All right. Now, the thing is, when you talk about libraries, it's actually like a collection of tools that have actually been pre-programmed, right? So it's just like you don't have to reinvent the wheel. It has already been done for you. What you just need to do is to use the Java runtime environment, and once installed.
So your screen is no longer sharing.
Okay. How about now? I seen it. Okay, so we're discussing about JDK, which stands for Java Development Kit. And we say it's the environment that actually gives us everything we need to develop our Java applications. It's okay. It's just like when they say environments, it's just the software. So the JDK is that thing that makes it possible for you to, the same Java application you created on Windows is the same Java application that can actually run on Mac or on Linux. It's okay, different platforms. So within the JDK, you have the JRE, or the Java Runtime Environment. And we say the Java Runtime Environment contains all the libraries and the classes. And I was trying to use the game, what is it called, Minecraft, to illustrate, just to try and explain what we mean by libraries. Okay, libraries are like templates already written by programmers like you, and they are very lengthy. So instead of writing all the libraries and classes all over again, you can actually use the one that's been written before, just to make your work easier and faster. Hope I'm not speaking in Greek, or what I'm saying does not sound like Hebrew.
No, I can understand what you're saying. I can understand what you're saying.
Okay, good. So within the JRE, we also have the JVM. Okay, so the Java Virtual Machine, the JVM. So it is responsible for executing your Java programs. So anytime you write a Java program and you click on run, or you click the small play like button that looks somewhere on your screen, which you're eventually going to see, is the JVM that actually helps it to run. Remember, we made mention that Java as a programming software actually started in 1995 by Sun Microsystems. Those details might not be important for you now, because we are not writing any exam. We are learning this so that we understand and see this is real life scenario. Is that right? So Java
Yes.
or JDK, Java development kits have actually undergone a whole lot of versions right from when it started in 1995 up to present. Is that right? So we have some of the versions that come with an added feature for long-term support. All right, so those are the ones that we are encouraged to use for our coding. Okay, so you might ask why are such recommended? Because they actually are recognized by some of the firms, some of the enterprises, because sometimes if you say, okay, I know how to code with Java, so the question that they might ask you, which version are you using? So the one that will be installing in our case is Java 17, right? So Java 17 is what we'll be installing in our computer today. So most companies or enterprise will go with Java version that has long-term support.